also tired of making moldy poundo? You try to make your poundo and it's always molding all the time. It's not nice, it's not flare, it's not good, it's not looking smooth when somebody wants to eat it or you want to eat it. Don't worry, this is the right video for you because I am going to show you how you're going to make your poundo in a marvelous way. That is not going to be moldy, it's not going to be having clumsy anything inside of it. It's going to be very smooth that you will enjoy to eat the poundo with your ogbono soup, okra soup, afang soup, any type of soup. Alright guys, so watch me how I do it. And thank you so much for joining us. We appreciate it so much. Please continue watching our videos. We do lifestyle here, self-care tips, and a sprinkle of laughter will entertain you. Thank you so much. And please don't forget to hit the bell, to subscribe, to comment, and to like our videos. We appreciate you so much. Alright guys, so let's go into the business of the day. First of all, you have your pot and you have the stick that you're going to be using to turn it. That's the secret, guys. So you don't use spoon. No, it doesn't work. So you have to do this. You have to use, we call this, how do you call this? Scapula. Yes, we call it, I know it very well in my language, but yes, scapula. I think that's how they call it, okay? So you look for it in the market and you buy yours. Alright guys, so the wooden one is fine. I think we have a plastic one too that you can use to make it. Please don't laugh me the way I pronounced it, okay? It's just out of my brain at this moment. I'm just being real, I'm just being myself. And I want to make this poundo, just a portion, a small portion. Just a small portion to consume by just me alone. Nobody's at home with me at this moment. Okay, so I'm just making this to consume by myself, by me, and by myself alone. All right guys, so let's go into the business. Let's dive into it. So this is my empty pot. Okay, this is a small pot I want to use. Now I'm going into poundo. Let me show you how mine is. I've used it already before. Okay, so I think this brand is good. Ayola brand Poundo Yam flour. It's actually very good. Okay, I don't know if there are other brands, but I do take this particularly. I like this one. All right guys, okay, so maybe you will have yours. Okay, the same method you can use it to make your semolina, you can use it to make your semovita. It's the same method, because if you don't use this method, you could have this clumsiness inside you when you're molding it. Okay, it could be moldy, it could be, and it's not always nice when you want to eat this and you find all those moldy things inside of it. It's actually not a good one. All right guys, so let's go ahead. First of all, what you're going to do first, all right, is going to you're going to take your water. This is my water. Okay, so you're going to add your water according to the size that you want to make. I hope you're following me. According to the size that you want to make. All right guys, so I'm actually making just one portion. It's going to be just little because I want something that I'm going to eat alone. I'm going to finish fast. All right guys, so let's do it together. So let me first this, let me hold it this way so you see the quantity. It's just a little. I don't want it to remain. I want something I can consume. To me, I feel it's actually too much. Okay, so the quantity is according to the size of what you want to consume. I think I don't want much of it. I'm even feeling this water that I'm putting is too much, but this will bring out the outcome of the quantity of poundo that you're going to have at last. All right, with my due explanation, I believe you can have the oral explanation for now while we get into the practical. You might not be seeing my face. I'm going to push out the camera deep here, so you're going to be seeing how I'm going to be turning it so it remains amazing, it remains neat, and it remains flexible in the hand, smooth in the hand. Let me use the language, smooth in the hand while you are eating it. Okay, all right guys, so let me take the camera closer because I'm going to be on my gas. So we're going to start the practical work now. All right, let's do it. Yeah, taking my camera so you can see the pot. You won't see my face anymore at this moment. It's going to be the pot that you're going to be seeing. I think this is fine. This is good. Okay. I believe you can see the pot very well. All right, guys. So let's start off. I'm on my gas now. All right. So it's on fire. Now, the next thing you're going to do, you have to be careful at this point. You won't allow your water to be hot. You won't allow your water to boil. All right. So look at the water inside already. Okay. So what we do next now is a little water, as I said. Fire is already there. Okay. So I now take my poundo. Now take my poundo, remember? Okay, so I'm just going to be putting it inside the water now that the water is not hot. Remember, that is where the secret is. I'm leaking out the secret to you now. So now that the water is not hot, I am putting it already. Okay, guys, and as you're putting it, as I'm putting it, I am turning it. I believe you can see it. Okay, so I'm also turning it immediately. All right, so I'm putting it, I'm turning it, and you also be careful. If you want it to be hard, if you want it to be soft, this is going to tell you how it's going to be. So look at, I believe you can see it. Yeah, you see that clumsy thing inside there? Those are the things that make it to be clumsy. All right, so you just be adding it. So when you now see that it's already getting thicker, you stop. Like now, it's already getting thicker for me because of the quantity of my water. I'm pausing. I reduced my fire because you'll be turning it. That's the secret, guys. You turn it. Turn it. Are you seeing? So it's already getting moldy. Look at how it is. Okay, I keep turning it. Keep turning it. Keep turning it. Very good. It gave me the quantity I want. So now, guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? So the mold is not even there at all at this point. I keep turning it. Okay, I keep turning it. Okay, so yeah. This is how it's becoming. This is how it's becoming. Okay. Just want to show you this. Guys, are you seeing this? Let me rinse my hand. So I'm not having any clumsiness. I'm not having any, look at, it's just there. It's just soft. Okay, normal one. No seed inside. Are you seeing? So smooth and nice. So we are almost there. So you can also use your spoon to scrape the sides. Let me get my spoon. Rinse it. Okay, so you can be using your spoon to scrape the sides. Are you seeing what I'm doing? You scrape the sides of your poundo. Okay, so if you see that it's actually too thick for you, you can apply water. Okay, you can just apply water to the sides of it if it's looking too thick for you. So that's another way you can make it soft if it is looking thick. Okay, so don't think, oh my god, what do I do? It's too thick. How do I soften it? How do I solve the problem? Just add little water by little, by the side, just by the side of your pot. Okay, just by the side of your pot. In just few minutes, it's already ready. I'm just trying to show you some things that you can do. If it is hard, you can solve the problem. Okay, it's actually not a difficult thing. So guys, we are done with our poundo. This is it. This is how it is. Amazing. So you can now use any of the soup you want to use. You can use any of the soup, guys. Beautiful. Look at. This is it. This is how it looks. All right. So yes, guys. So we are done. So you can eat it with any choice of your soup. Any choice of your soup. So we are good. Do you want to watch me eat it? Do you want to watch me eat it? So you can go ahead and make yours. And come to my comment section and say, I did it and it worked for me. Alright guys, so I'll be so excited seeing those messages in my phone, in my comment section of this video. Alright guys, I believe you learned something amazing here. Okay, I'm supposed to put it out in a plate so you can see it visibly very well. Alright, let's do it together. Okay, so it's ready. I've off my fire and I want to bring it out so you can see it very well. Bring it out from the pot. It doesn't want to come out. So let's bring it out of the pot so you see how smooth it is. Guys, this is it. Very smooth, not clumsy, no moldy, no moldness, no anything, just smooth. Ready for eating. Ready for eating. Ready for eating. Yes, I said that. So you can scrape it out. You know I don't like to waste my food. So I scrape it out. So okay, so we can also mold it. You can mold it to make it look neat. If you want to present, I've washed my hands. So if you want to present it, you mold it. So if you have a restaurant, this is a life-saving video for you. Yeah. So you won't have any issue of making semolina. Semovita is the same method. Just use this method and come back to thank me. Guys, look at it here. Very smooth and nice. Okay, so guys, thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. Let me lift it up so you can see this girl's face. Yeah. So thank you so much. I appreciate you guys. I love you so much. I believe you learned something. You learned how to make your own poundo. You're going to make yours. This is very smooth and nice to eat. It just be moving in your mouth in an amazing way. All right, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you and thank you. And don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe. And always glue to our videos. We have amazing videos down there. Okay, just go through the channel. You see amazing videos of how to make different types of soup. Okay, different types of soup and great methods, great patterns that is very easy for you to just watch and do exactly, and you have a good result. Thank you. I am all dressed to go to work. As you can see, I'm dressed up already. Today's Thursday, so I like doing casual, more of casual formal on a Thursday. So when I was done, I was thinking, are you going to go to work with lunch? Are you going to start stressing yourself, making life uncomfortable for you? So I just remembered I had a soup in the fridge. Oh my God, do you know what happened? I ran into the fridge to go and take the soup. All right, I made the soup and it took out what is remaining. And guys, I'm dishing it and I'm going to go and look for whatever I'm going to use to actually make swallow with the soup, because I really don't want to go and eat outside. I don't want to go and buy food outside, guys. So I am going to dish this and I'm going to pack it in my lunch bag. What is my lunch bag? Is actually in the parlor, okay? So I'm going to put it in this plate. Then I'm going to put it in the wrap-up bag, okay? I'm going to put it in a small bag, yeah. Then, and I'm going to take my lunch bag to work because I don't think I'm part of actually buying food to eat at this point, okay? So I just want to make life easier for me and just things to move on. All right, so let's dish it together. Let's pack the lunch bag together. I have to rush up to bring the lunch bag. Yeah, okay. Let me get my lunch bag. Stay here. So my lunch bag is actually here, okay? So I'm going to pack up, just join me. Let's pack up my lunch bag together. What I'm going to be eating, I'm going to be dishing out the soup. Oh my God, this soup is almost finishing. So I have to, no, things don't finish in my house. It's plenty. Yes, so you have to be positive, non-negativity. No, things don't finish in my house. It's increasing. Yeah, it's increasing. Okay, so let's dish it together. All right. Yeah, this is a from soup. I made it, and I think I didn't post here how I made it. I have it already in my video, other of my videos, how to make this kind of soup. How to make this kind of soup and enjoy yourself with it. It's actually an amazing soup. Okay. I think this is fine. I'll just go with this. Remain this, so when I get back home or maybe tomorrow, because I don't want to do a swallowing. Yeah, so this is fine. I still want protein. Still want to put protein inside. Can you imagine? Oh my God. Okay, so guys, yeah. So this is good. I think we are good with this. Yeah, we'll go with this. So I'll get the cover. I cut it. Alright. So I'll return this back. Then I want to pack it in here first. Pack it in here first. So, yeah, I'm done. Yeah, what I'm going to use to eat with the soup, okay? I'm looking at getting fufu to eat with it, okay? Since I can't make I can't make my poundo. I have poundo here, but will not allow me to start making poundo at this moment. So what I'm going to do is when I get to work, okay, there's a good shop that sells food, that sells loy loy, you know loy loy, the white word. So I think I'm just going to get one of it to just do my lunch this afternoon. Okay, so and I not show you how I do my lunch, but I just wanted to show you how I pack my bag. Yes, how I packed my bag. Okay, so guys, thank you. Yesterday, yeah, the powder I made still in this video. I consumed it, okay, that night, and this is the morning of the next day. Yeah, the video that is actually linked together now, so you have a good understanding how it is. Okay, so the poundo was consumed the previous day. Okay, so this morning I just had to take the soup alone. Then I'm going to use something else, not pound. I'm going to use fufu to actually eat this soup in the afternoon. All right, so I'll just make it my lunch. Yes, I'll just take it as my lunch and just have fun. All right, guys. So guys, thank you very much. I'm off to work. I'm off to work. I have to go to work and have to do what I have to do. All right, guys. So thank you so much. I appreciate you so much. Please do subscribe. Okay. All right. Okay. This is a joint video previous day and the next day, so you have a good understanding how it is. Okay. I want you to understand, to feel the vibes. All right, guys. Thank you so much. I love you so much. Bye.